Hello everybody, I'm Scotty. Welcome back to Scotty's Clock World. Right, let's take the movement out. The tiny little Phillips head screws down here. Loosen those off. As I said, it's a pretty brand new movement in actual fact. Pull the screw out, put it in a dish, take the next one out. And these small screws, the magnet, take it out with our magnet, our extendable magnet, put it in there. Now, top ones, got him, and the fourth one over in there. Once it drops into the slots on the screw head, we will. That's got him, and that's dropped out, so we can now take the movement out so we don't catch the little bird. Actually, what we better do is take this on-off lever out first. I'll take that off. Be easier to take it off, undo it, then bend the wire. Here we go, that's the nut. Now that comes off, leave that sitting there, we'll take that out in a moment. Oop. We might still have to undo it by the look of that. Take that out. And there's a washer too that fell out in there somewhere. Okay, back to removing the movement. There's our last screw, that's got him. Put the case aside for the moment. Pull the chain through. And there we can see the chain. It's caught up. So I'll get a pair of tweezers and we'll lift that up and out. Use a bit of gravity to help us, I think. See if that is easier. There we go. Now drop him out down the bottom. Okay. The chain's clear. There's a movement with a little bird sitting on it. Right, there's our movement with a little bird on the perch. I'm going to take that off next, but before I do, I'll put a little mark on the perch so we know where to put the bird back on. That's got him. Now we'll undo the screw, take the bird off. Slides off easily. Here's a little bird. Put that aside. There's the movement. That's the front of it. And that's the back of it. Right, we'll start to take our movement to pieces now. We'll start off by removing the pendulum leader. 2 pairs of pliers as usual. Get a grip on it. And move the other jaw up a little bit, open it up. Now the top one, the same thing. That'll now come out. And we'll have to open the crutch down here so we can get the pendulum leader out of that. Oh, that's a bit tighter. I'll put it on the side and try it that way. See if we can get it to work there. Get the pendulum leader out of the way. Bottom part of the crutch. Second pair of pliers. Open it up a little bit, only the thickness of the wire plus a little bit more, which we haven't quite done yet. Okay, back we go. Open it up tiny bit more. Right this time for sure. Okay, pendulum leader comes out. Now that'll be screwed. Actually there's not, it's riveted in, so we can't take that out, the post won't come out. Okay, got him. Put him in our container. Now we'll start removing pieces from the front. Let's have a look at the bird perch. Caught in there and there. They look like they're riveted in actual fact. I think they are. Yep, looks like it. Now we'll take the circlip off down here. Pair of tweezers so we don't lose it. That's why I was worried about losing it. Tiny little link. Now we'll take the rack off. Which has a circlip there. As usual, being careful not to shoot it across the room. Not quite. That's got him. And we'll see if that's a washer or a collet. We're about to find out. Nope, looks like it's a collet. Okay, snail comes off. The snail, that's a rack. Now we'll remove the minute wheel. Now there. Put them aside. That's the gathering pallet there. The rack stop lever. It's held on by a spring up there. Well, not held on by a spring, but it's controlled by that spring up there. Now we'll take the rack stop lever off. This piece here. Undo that spring. And it should come straight off. Being careful of the gathering pallet down there. No, I think there's a tiny little circlip behind it. Yep, there is. We'll have to take that off first. Get into that and give it a squeeze. Not going to be easy, but I was right, it's not going to be easy. I think that's moved. It will. Try it with a pair of tweezers. A little bit more. No, not moving yet. There we go. Right, now I've got to find it. Anyway, I'll take that rack stop lever out and then have a look for the C-clip. I've got spare ones if I can't find it, but it has to be here somewhere. It didn't spring off anywhere. Anyway, we'll worry about that in a moment. I'm surprised this movement looks very new and clean and shiny. I'm starting to think there's not much advantage in taking this movement to pieces because it doesn't need to be cleaned. I think actually what I might do is put it back together again and oil it. You can see how clean everything is. There's no oil on anything. No rust. Everything's freshly blued, etc. It's relatively tight. Alright, well I think we'll call a halt to taking it to pieces. I'll put it back together again because it's in such good shape, and then we'll start oiling it.